Hey everyone, is your mobile data not working on your Android phone? Don't worry, here are some easy fixes you can try. Step 1. Refresh mobile data. Turn mobile data off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Step 2. Check signal strength. Make sure you have good network signals. Weak signals can stop mobile data from working. Step 3. Enable airplane mode trick. Turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. This helps reset network connection. Step 4. Check data limit. Go to settings, data usage, and make sure data limit is not reached or turn on. Step 5. Check APN setting. Go to settings, mobile network, access point names, and make sure your correct settings are selected. Step 6. Reset network settings. Go to settings, system, reset option, reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Final tip, if mobile data is still not working, contact your SIM network provider or try inserting your SIM is another phone to check. And that's it. This step should help fix mobile data issues on your Android phone. Like, subscribe, and share for more easy Android tips.